In this episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, we're serving a soul-warming bowl of comfort, creamy spinach soup, packed with hearty vegetables and fresh spinach. It's a simple and healthy recipe, perfect for cooler days or a light lunch option. Creamy Spinach Soup. 500 grams of peeled potatoes, 300 grams of peeled carrots, 200 grams of peeled pumpkin, 100 grams of spinach leaves, 2 garlic cloves, 1 large onion, 1 leek, 50 milliliters of olive oil, salt to taste. In a large pot, add the cubed potatoes, carrots, and pumpkin. Add the garlic cloves, sliced onion, and chopped leek to the pot. Cover everything with water and cook on medium heat for about 35 minutes. Once the vegetables are tender, remove from heat. Add the olive oil and salt to taste. Use a hand blender and blend the soup until creamy and smooth. Return to pot to low heat. Add the spinach leaves and cook for another 5 to 8 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve hot. A bowl of this creamy spinach soup is like a hug in food form, nourishing, light, and full of flavor. Whether for lunch, dinner, or a starter, it's a comforting dish the whole family will enjoy. Faça e coma!